I'm Hillary Peterson, and I'm the founder of True Botanicals. People used to tell me when I would talk about toxins in beauty products that I was paranoid and I shouldn't worry so much. What's amazing now is to see how much people are empowering themselves with information and how they're demanding more transparency, and they're wanting to know what's in the products, what's safe, what's not. It's just a really wonderful time to be building a thoughtful brand because it feels like there's so much receptivity and need for what we're doing. We're not trying to set an ideal for women as to a certain way they should look or feel. We're just trying to help them feel and look their best. It's something that I really see with my daughters comes much more naturally with this younger generation. They don't really want to subscribe to a certain way of being. They just want to be themselves. Their feeling about my building a company that's making products without toxins is just like, well, of course, what other kind of company would you build? And so I'm excited to help with them and with all the incredible people I work with create a world where that's more true.